How to save a route on Google Maps. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Prim Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can save a route on Google Maps. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and open Google Maps, and suppose you want to save a route. First, suppose you want to head over to a certain place. You want to first search for that particular place here. So once you've searched for the location, you can see the directions here. So you can tap on directions and you'll be able to view the directions, whether by walking or the carway or the busway. Now once you choose the particular route that you wish to save, what you can do is you can tap on the three dots option at the top right corner that you'll see there beside your location, and here you'll see the option that says add route to home screen. So you want to tap on it and you can see this will pop up little here. You want to tap on add. Now this will be added to your home screen. Now next time you're offline, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and open up that particular option, and here it will find you and give you the route. So this is the way here that you can save a route on Google Maps. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.